Well, hello friends. Today we are doing an unboxing from TMI Gifts. I found them online. I actually did a reverse image Google search and that's how I found them. But I've never ordered from them before. It seemed like an interesting website to browse. And more importantly, they had what I was looking for. And that is more of my big acrylic gems that seem to be selling out in all the places that I ordered. So I thought, well, we'll pick some up from them and see what the experience is like, and then see what else we get. Now, it arrived and shipped pretty quickly, all things considered, so no complaints there. All right, we got a packing slip. Hold on, we got a Wally here. Wally, did you want to check? What's in there? Is it safe? Really, yeah, just more gems. Okay, let me see what I'm out. Okay, is there any more photo in there? You want to check them each one at a time? Okay. Something's supposed to here. Okay. So as you can tell, everything is wrapped really great. So what we picked up was more gems, but these looked like a slightly different combination of gems in the sense of like shapes and sizes. Oh, and I was right, they are. So these are like, let's say like smaller size versions. They're really pretty. They're really pretty. They're definitely more round feeling, if that makes sense. But they're really beautiful. And it's the same Regency group that makes them, so clearly they thought, you know, real wholesale. So anyways, we got 10 more ornaments in the small to medium size here. And can't really complain. They're really pretty, and they're all from the same Regency wholesaler, so I know that they're going to match the other ones, but they're just really pretty, don't you think? I think so. They actually really remind me of the Philosopher's Stone from Harry Potter, if they were on the same garnet, but more on that soon. So beyond these, we also got 5 of these, let's see, these piano key sequins sprays, and they were only like $2 and like 2 1/4 each. And I was just like, sequins are expensive, let alone piano sequins. So these are, if these are half as cute as they look online, they are totally worth it. And I mean, you tell me, but I think they're pretty darn cute. They're not finished on the back, which is fine. A little stuck together here. Ooh. All right, just gently pull those apart. There we go. But oh yeah, that's pretty. That's pretty cute, don't you think? This is gonna look really, really good in some of my new themes that I'm working on. But we got 5 of these. I didn't want to get too many because I was like, well, I don't actually know if they're gonna look good, and for a color like this, unless it's your primary color, you only need a little bit of pop of it. So between that and all the sequins, I was like, 5 should do it. So got 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5. Obviously they came a little squished in trout, I'm sure. So I just kind of wanted to show you guys. I went and kind of fluffed and like fixed as many of these as I could, but they were definitely super squished. And like this one has a petal that's fallen off. There was a few that were still like stuck together or just really squished. This one has like a full-on button missing that you can see. Like this one has in the middle. There's like a button in there. This one's got a missing button. This one is mostly fine. Some of the stems like were clearly compromised somehow and are a little wiggly. So I'm not saying they all have something wrong with them, but they were definitely not shipped as carefully as they could have been, which I get it. They're a cheap product. So that's fine. I just wanted to point out to you guys that it might not be the packaging that you're used to if you buy from, like, let's say Decorator's Warehouse or someplace that goes like crazy above and beyond with their packaging. But all in all, everything is here that's supposed to be here, so I'm not mad. It just, from a first impression point of view, I wanted the specific gems, so that's why I got the gems. But I'm not sure I'll be ordering like florals like this if I think they're going to be packaged like this again. But we'll see. I don't know. It could have just been a fluke order. But overall, pretty good experience. Happy I could find more of these in the smaller sizes, because I did get the big ones that you guys saw. But more hauls along these lines are all in my playlist. So make sure you check it out and see all the other cool stuff that I'm going to be decorating with this Christmas season. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll do my best to answer them.